I unboxed the SEGA Genesis Mini 1. It had classic games like Sonic the Hedgehog, Altered Beast, Toe Jam and Earl, and more. Now, I have, 3 years later, I now have the SEGA Genesis Mini 2. And from what I've heard, it's got lots of great items, improved emulation on some of the games, courtesy of M2, 50 games on here, more than 50 games on here, including titles like Sonic CD, Desert Strike, Toe Jam and Earl in Panic on Funkatron, Earthworm Jim 2, and even Crusader of Senti, which plays like The Legend of Zelda. And it also features a bevy of brand new games ported to the Genesis, including games like Devi and Pi, Spatter, Fantasy Zone, as well as a new version of Space Harrier with sprite scaling. Oh well, it's hard for me to keep rambling on about this thing. Let's just unbox it then. Alright? Now that the first thing we do is, I've seen a lot of people do this. So, the USB cable. Here's the HDMI cable. Here's the 6-button control pad. I never had the 6-button, but I had have slightly more practical 8-button pads with L and R and the mode button on the front. This is good for this is the kind of controller you'd see in stores when the Genesis Mini 1 was seen. And now, here's the Genesis Mini 2 in its glory. Look at this. It's small. I mean, side by side with the Genesis Mini 1, it looks really good. Look at it. Here's the underside of it, and this is where you would connect the SEGA CD 1 or 2 if you had either one of those special 3D promotional add-ons. Alright, I better put this back on there. There we go. I have another controller that I've been using more on this system than the one it came with. And that's this 2.4 gigahertz 8-button pad. It has greater range than any of the controllers that they came out with, plus the benefit of wireless and compatibility with the original Genesis, thanks to the included adapters, and is compatible with even the Nintendo Switch. For those of you who play SEGA Genesis games on the Switch's expansion pack service. As for what I'll be playing myself, I'll probably be playing Sonic CD. And I've seen some other videos state you can actually change the soundtrack on that. But that's actually really impressive for what it is. Well, after all, this thing, I was lucky enough to pre-order it when it came out. But anyway, that's it for the unboxing video. I'll be playing this after a while. Well, not too far into a while. I'll be playing it after some things. You'll expect my thoughts on Twitter and so forth. Till then, goodbye.